there guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about weather and climate, part 1 in social studies. Let's start. Weather. What is weather? Yes, weather is the state or condition of the atmosphere. Weather usually lasts for a short period of time, such as 1 hour to 1 day. It can be sunny, windy, snowy, etc. Those are all short forms, so they last for a short period of time. In one place it might be snowing, in another place it might be stormy, or in another place it might be sunny. Yes, weather differs from place to place. It is not always the same and it changes within a short period of time, right? Yes. Have you ever heard the weather forecast? Yes, a person called a meteorologist studies weather, and the study of weather is called meteorology. Climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a place. Climate usually lasts for a long period of time. It can be around 30 years or more. For example, you can say that Chennai has a moderate climate, Delhi has an extreme climate, Rajasthan has a hot climate. So, like that, we are talking about the average weather condition. What is the normal weather there? We're not talking about the weather. So don't be confused with weather and climate. Did you know that a person who studies climate is called a climatologist, and the study of climate is called climatology? Just like weather, climate information is also collected by satellites that rotate above the Earth. Factors influencing climate. The main factors which influence climate are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, humidity and precipitation, and wind. Let's go! Latitude. What is latitude? Latitude is the distance from the equator. As you get farther and farther from the equator, it starts to get colder. And if you go near the equator, it's hotter. The equator is an imaginary line that is drawn on maps and runs along the center of the Earth. Can you locate it? Yes, there it is, the 0 degrees equator. Latitude. You can see here all the different lines of latitude. They are parallel and the equator is in the middle of them. The equator is also called the Great Circle because it divides the Earth into 2 equal halves. Latitude. Temperature change. So, have you ever known why is there direct sunlight near the equator? That's because the sun's rays fall in a straight line. That's why it's quite hot in those places. And why is the North Pole and South Pole so cold? That is because the sun rays are slanting. So they really won't reach the surface of the Earth. So that's why those places are freezing cold. Altitude. What is altitude? Altitude is the height of a place above sea level. Temperature decreases with altitude. It does so. If you climb 1000 meters rise in altitude, temperature decreases by 6.5 degrees Celsius. Altitude. Some people experience altitude sickness. This is because if you're above sea level, that is the ground, oxygen will start to decrease. So that's why some people feel sick if they are above 3000 meters. Distance from the sea. Yes, have you ever wondered why places near the coast are having moderate climate? That is because 2 breezes called land and sea breeze blow constantly. Land breeze occurs at night when the breeze from the land goes towards the sea, and sea breeze is when breeze from the sea goes towards the land. This is why places near the coast have nice and warm moderate climate. You can see here that in the morning, sea breeze goes towards the land to fill up the space, and the opposite is with land breeze. Humidity and precipitation. What is it? Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. If you say there's high humidity, I think you might be really sweaty with sticky skin. Ew. And if there's low humidity, your skin starts to feel dry and you might even get chapped lips due to lack of moisture. Humidity and precipitation. Places with high humidity, like those along the coast, example Chennai, Kolkata, etc., have high humidity. That's why they get rain all throughout the year. And places with low humidity, that is deserts, never get rainfall at all. Winds. You want to know that wind is also a major factor of climate affection. Wind is the air in motion. Warm winds contain high moisture. The desert winds that blow are hot and dry. But you want to know that not all winds are too hot. There are cold winds. They are found in north and south poles, etc. They decrease the temperature sharply. Winds. You want to know that wind is also one of the reasons for cyclones. When wind collects in the sea, it forms a water spout, a hole inside the sea. This hole reaches the land and causes devastation. Interesting facts. Hey guys, did you know dirt mixed with wind can make dust storms, called black blizzards? Yes, in this picture you can see a black blizzard. The equator is also called the Great Circle. Yes, as I told you, why? It's because it divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern and southern hemisphere. Do you have any other interesting facts about today's topic? Let me know in the comments. Quiz time! Are you ready? Let's start! Number 1. The equator is also called as dash. And number 2, climate lasts for around dash years. Come on, you can do it. You can pause the video and find the answer or write in the comments. Answer time! Number 1, the equator is also called as the Great Circle. And secondly, the climate lasts for around 30 years. If you found the correct answer, congratulations! Summary, that is summary. So recap. So in this video, we learned about weather, climate, factors influencing climate, that is factors causing and responsible for climate change. So I hope we can meet together in the next video in part 2. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Yes, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get daily updates on my new videos. Well, bye-bye. See ya. Stay home and stay safe.